Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm with you with a very beautiful project. This is also very easy. We are going to make these crochet Tunisian leaves. Let me show you. Look, dear friends. It is so easy. It is very nice for your crochet ornaments. You can make crochet bookmarks, or you can ornament your crochet blankets, crochet bags. Look, it is very nice. I made this in two different structure of yarn. I will show you once again. For example, here I made with acrylic yarn. It looks a bit bigger. For this reason, you can make with acrylic yarn and you can ornament your winter crochet projects. Let me show you. For example, here, in order to get a thicker and bigger crochet leaf, I folded up the yarn into two, as you see here, and I made like this. Let me show you the difference between the cotton yarn and the acrylic yarn. This is the cotton yarn I made. This is the acrylic yarn I made. You can use this for your summer crochet projects, and you can use this for your winter crochet projects. It is possible. I made these in different colors, as you see here. For this reason, you can make autumn projects, or you can make spring projects using these colors. For example, I loved this color for especially autumn projects like this. Look, dear friends, this is nice for autumn projects. Okay, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. We are starting crocheting. If you have scrap yarn like this project is very nice, because for each leaf we need very short of yarn. For this reason, it's a very nice scrap yarn project, leftover yarn project. And this is cotton yarn, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. This is the cotton yarn that you use for your amigurumi projects, or you can use also 4-season cotton yarn. And my hook size is 3 millimeters according to the thickness of my yarn. We need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. Okay, we are starting. Yes, dear friends, I am taking my yarn in my hand and I am starting with a slip knot like this. I am making the slip knot. Upon this slip knot, I am making 8 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. We made totally 8 chains. Now I am skipping this chain 8. I mean the last chain I'm skipping, going to the following stitch. I'm making pull through. Going to the following, I'm making pull through again. Going to the following stitch, again I'm making pull through. This time I will make pull through a bit longer than the other, like this, a bit longer we are making. Going to the following, making a bit longer, going to the following, a bit longer. Like this we are coming to the end. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches on the hook. Now 2 by 2 we will make pull through. This is pull through 1. This is pull through 2. This is pull through 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times we made pull through. Yes, we finished one side of the leaf. Now I am turning this to the other side. We will do the same thing for the other. Okay, through the first stitch I am inserting my hook and I'm making pull through. Once again, going to the following stitch, pull through, going to the following stitch, pull through. I'm making a bit longer than the previous one, but don't make too much longer, just a bit longer. Okay, but as you see, I'm making a bit longer than the previous one, like this. Okay, yes. Now I am coming to the last stitch. Yes. Okay, we came to the end. Now we will make 2 by 2 pull through like this. 2 by 2. Yes, it is very easy. It is finished. Now I am making one chain in order to get a pointy shape on top. I am cutting the yarn. Now we will hide this in the back side. I am using this side as front side and this side as the back side. For hiding the yarn end, I'm using a small size hook, 1.5 millimeters hook. As I told you, I'm using this side as a front side. This is the back side. I will hide this. Through the stitches, step by step, I am pulling through this yarn end in order to secure it and also in order to hide it. Yes, there is just a very little left and I am cutting it. It is finished. You can also hide this time, but it looks like a branch. For this reason I'm leaving this. Yes, dear friends, as you see, it is finished. It is very nice. Look, these are the other ones. I really love these. We can make the acrylic one together. I can also show you the acrylic ones, these, how I made it. Actually it is the same, but we can make it together. This is the yarn. As you see, it is thicker. It is the winter yarn. It is acrylic yarn, and according to the thickness of my yarn, I'm using 5 millimeters hook. Look, 5 millimeters hook. Okay, let's start with acrylic yarn. I'm taking my yarn in my hand and I am taking 5 millimeters hook in my hand. We are starting. First of all, I'm making a slip knot like this. Okay, upon this slip knot, we are making 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. As you see, we finished. Now I am skipping chain 8, last stitch. I am skipping, going to the chain 7 and yarn over, pull through. Going to the following stitch, doing the same thing, yarn over, pull through. Going to the following stitch, yarn over, pull through. Going to the following, yarn over, pull through. As you see here, when we go to the down, we are making the loops, we are keeping the loops a bit longer, just a bit. Okay, like this, as you see. Yes, I came to the last stitch. Now 2 by 2 I will make pull through like this. Pull through 2 by 2. Okay, one side of the leaf finished. As you see, it looks very nice. Now I am turning it to the other side. I will make pull through one by one through each stitches like this. Yarn over, pull through, going to the following stitch like this. Okay, like this. As you see, when we go down, we are keeping the following loops a bit longer than the other. Okay, like this, 2 by 2 pull through, 2 by 2. Okay, as you see, there are 2 loops left. It is finished. It looks like a beautiful leaf. I am making 1 chain and just cutting the yarn. We are hiding this yarn end in the back side. I am using this as a front side and this one as a back side. Okay, with a small size hook, I am pulling through the loop. Okay. Yes, there is a very short of left. I am keeping this one as a branch. You can also hide it if you want to leave like this. That's completely depends. But it looks more leave like this. I am keeping it as a branch. Yes, dear friends, this is the acrylic one. This is the cotton one. Both of them look very nice. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. Hope I am helpful for your crochet skills by making this video tutorial. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.